Africa's first AI factory. The global AI race just shifted, and this time, it didn't start in Silicon Valley or Beijing. If you want to understand where real technological power is moving, subscribe. This channel tracks the signals early. Now here's what just happened. Africa is building its first artificial intelligence factory, and this is bigger than a data center announcement. Cassava Technologies, founded by Strive Masiyiwa, partnered with Nvidia to establish Africa's first AI factory. By June 2025, Cassava will deploy Nvidia's advanced AI computing systems in South Africa. Expansion is already planned for Egypt, Kenya, and Morocco. Masiyiwa stated the goal is simple: give African businesses, startups, and researchers direct access to cutting-edge AI infrastructure without needing to rely on overseas compute. For years, advanced AI infrastructure has been concentrated in a few regions. That concentration shapes who builds, who scales, who captures value. When compute lives abroad, innovation follows abroad. This move changes that dynamic. Local AI infrastructure means lower latency, reduced dependency, greater data sovereignty, regional AI ecosystems. This isn't just about technology, it's about economic leverage. The AI race is entering a new phase. It's no longer just about models, it's about infrastructure geography. Every region that builds sovereign compute capacity gains strategic positioning in digital growth. Africa entering that arena signals something deeper: the decentralization of AI power. And wherever compute decentralizes, innovation accelerates. The question isn't whether AI will transform industries, it's who will control the infrastructure behind it. If you want technology explained beyond the headlines, subscribe. We don't follow the noise, we follow the shift.